Hello my student. Today we will learning the lesson is called the meaning and reading the fraction. We studied in grade 2 the fraction. If the fraction divided by two parts, number of colored part is 1, write 1 on the top, and the number of all parts is 2, write 2 on the bottom. We can read the fraction 1 over 2, and we can read 1 half or a half or half. And another fraction, number of colored part is 1, write 1 on the top, and the number of all parts is 4, write 4 on the bottom. And we can read this 1/4. Another fraction, number of colored part is 1, write 1 on the top, and the number of all parts is 3, write 3 on the bottom. We can say 1/3. And last one, number of all parts is 7, write 7 on the bottom, and the number of colored part is 1, write 1 on the top. We can read this 1/7. So the meaning of the fraction is it's a part of whole. It's a part of whole. And we can notice that number of the top of all fractions is 1, 1/2, and 1/4, and 1/3, and 1/7. Today we will talking about this lesson in 3 things. The first, how we can read the fraction, then how we can write the fraction, then how we can color the fraction. The first, how we can write the fraction. If the fraction is 3 over 4, 3 is called numerator, and the 4 is called denominator. Numerator and denominator. Complete. If the fraction 1 over 5, number of numerator is 1, write 1. And the number of denominator is 5, write 5. If the fraction is 2 over 3, number of numerator is 2, write 2. And denominator is 3. If the fraction is numerator is 5 and denominator is 7, who is the fraction? Who is write the 5? Write 5 on the top and write 7 in the bottom. We can say 5 over 7 or 5/7. Write the fraction according to the colored part. How many colored part? 1, 2, 3, write 3 on the top. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, write 4. See, we can read the fraction 3 over 4 or 3/4. The second fractions, number of colored part is 1, write 1 on the top, and the number of all parts is 2, write 2 on the bottom. We can say the fraction is 1/2 or a half. Another fraction, number of all parts is 3, write 3 in the bottom, and the number of colored part is 2, write 2 on the top. We can read the fraction is 3/3. And the last one, number of colored part is 3, write 3 on the top, and the number of all parts, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, write 8. So we can read the fraction is 3/8. 3/8. We can put S in the end of 8 because it's a plural more than 1. Write the following fractions. We can write the fraction in the digits. A half, we can write 1, excellent. We can write 1 in the top, and we can write 2, excellent, in the bottom. Say with me, 5/8. How we can write 5? Write 5 in the top or in the bottom? Excellent. Write 5 in the top and write 8 in the bottom. 5/8. 3/10. 3/10. We can write 3 in, excellent, top, and we can write 10 in the bottom 3/10. And last one, 4/9. 4/9, write 4 in the top and write 9 in the bottom. Another example, write each fraction in words. The first, how we can read the fraction? We can say 1/3 or third. 1/3 or third. The second, we can say 2/5 and 3. We must say the number of the top, then the number of the bottom. 3/4. 5. Excellent. 9. 1/8. 3/7. And finally, how we can color it according to the fraction. The fraction is a 1/2. We can color it how many parts? We can color it 1. Number of colored is the numerator, number of colored part. Right, colored number is 1. We can color it any parts. We can the top or the bottom is the same. 4/5. How many number colored is 4? We can color it 4 parts. Any 4 parts. 1, 2, 3. Any 4 parts. 4. Another 3/7. 3/7. Number of colored part is 3. We can color it any 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. And 2/3 or 2/3 or 2/3, we can color it 2 parts. 1, 2. Thank you, my students, and see you soon.